नया ट्रेंड फास्टैग का। वन थिंग यू मे हैव नोटिस्ड व्हाइल ट्रैवलिंग टू अदर स्टेट्स, यू सी अ टोल प्लाजा। एक सेकंड में आप
एक सेकंड में अप, एक सेकंड में डाउन, अप डाउन, अप डाउन, अप डाउन।
In this video, we are gonna discuss what is FASTag, how does it works, and some pros and cons. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, what is FASTag? FASTag is an RFID passive sticker just like NFC on our phones, which enables automatic toll charges deduction whenever a vehicle passes through the toll plazas, which eliminates the stopping of cars for the cash transactions. FASTag was implemented to reduce toll fraud and to reduce traffic around the toll plazas. The government of India has made a rule that all the vehicles passing through the toll plaza has to pay using the FASTag. Okay, now let's discuss how does FASTag works. In a very simple language, when a vehicle passes the toll plaza system will capture the FASTag ID details like tag ID, vehicle class and other details and send it to bank for the processing. The bank will send these details to National Electronic Toll Collection System, or we can say NETC, to verify the details. Once the details are verified, the NETC will respond to bank to debit the amount of the customer. After completion of transaction, the customer will also get the transaction details via SMS. And lastly, the toll barriers will be opened for you to pass through. Now it's time for us to discuss about some of its pros and cons, but first, let's talk about some pros. Ease of payment, no need to carry cash for toll transactions. FASTag can be recharged using debit card, credit card, UPI or net banking. अगर बैंक में पैसा है तो SMS alerts are sent to the FASTag holder such as toll transaction, low balance, etc. FASTag has a validity of 5 years. Pollution and the most important is the traffic reduction. Like 200 रुपए के चेंज के लिए कार में से 2-2 रुपए के सिक्के निकालने की टेंशन खत्म. Now let's talk about some cons. During the initial stages of implementation, there were issues regarding the RFID reader. Sometimes it was not working and most of the handheld devices were also become faulty. FASTag had hired so many people for deducting toll, now they will become unemployed as there will be no need for them. As it comes in the tag form, it may be stolen or lost easily. In such a situation, one will have to inform the authority to block the FASTag account. इसका एक solution बताऊं? FASTag को ना अपने फ़ोन के पीछे कवर में डाल दो. Now you might ask, what will happen when you reach the toll plaza without the FASTag on your vehicle? All you need to know is the government is making compulsory use of FASTag, but there is also non-FASTag lane, but you will have to pay double the price. So I hope this video helped you, and if not, consider watching it again. Also give us a like, and not just like, also subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.